power, old apostles of evil, and brought forth darkness and devastation, leading them away in the remote continent of Beast Yeast.
All right, I'll start with an easy one. What is a lie? And what do you think is the truth? You know, I've always dreamt of a beautiful world of perfect chaos where lies and truths can't be told apart. Admit it, it sounds rather nice, don't you think? Oh, why the long face? Are you afraid? Oh, it's gonna be so much more fun than the hopeless world of bare truth, plagued with anxiety and fear. Besides, you don't really have a choice, for you are in the belly of the beast. Scream and shout all you want. In the end, you're gonna pay. Everything you've ever felt, believed, or chosen. Your entire life. It's time to accept the truth you like so much. You are merely following in my footsteps. Oh, but it's inevitable. In the end, you will become me. Welcome to my world.